Thank you very much for clicking on this video. This part deals with day 3 of my Indore trip. Day 2 ended after Badnera, to be honest. I slept for some time. I wanted to sleep for some time, but then I ended up sleeping for longer time. In the end, it became too dark to record videos. And with an hectic schedule on day 3, I decided to have a good rest, which meant I woke up when we were entering Indore Junction. So the video continues from Indore. Right now, they painted this YG in a different kind of livery. I've not seen this before. It used to be black. A reference image for you all. Would have been nice if they had used this for the heritage train. It's time for a bus ride to MHOW. Running till these days soon to capture the first departure of today's bus. Back to MHOW. The station has undergone a lot of changes. They have painted it beautifully. Let's take the ticket and go around. Let's step inside to a different world. And I spotted my favorite loco 6717. And he's right here. Hopefully he powers us today for this heritage run. Happy feeling. Looks pretty neat as well. And this one is a 9:15 passenger, which will depart in another 45 minutes. The station has been beautifully painted on occasion of starting the heritage train, which is pretty nice. In fact, I saw many stations getting painted like this, which will actually make the stations look neat. And of course, the station is pretty neat. Savari Gadi. Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Sanawat. Yeah, MHOW has been renamed as Dr. Ambedkar Nagar now. And I guess the code is GADN. MG crosses BG here, Diamond Crossing. The BG track goes into the yard. Pit lines, whereas this MG on the left goes to Sanawad via Patalpani. The heritage train started with 3 coaches Due to demand, they've increased it to 4, and I can see another coach which is ready inside the coach carrying center. And the signal for the MG train has been cleared. Let's see if I can move a bit ahead and capture the notching of the waiting for. The lines on the left used to be completely dominated by meter gauge coaches and wagons. Now it's been taken over by the BG counterparts. Luckily this section maintenance is good, and as you saw, the train accelerated pretty well.